I'm joined now by the company's finance director, Chris Rogers. Thank you very much indeed for speaking to us. So as we were hearing there, your company reporting a rise in profit, but how much more can Whitbread increase its market share?
Well, as you say, these are a good set of numbers where we've seen our profits go up by some 29% on the back of a 14% increase in turnover. We believe that if you continue to offer the consumer value, then you can continue to grow your market share. And what I mean by that is we are able to offer a family of four a room for the night with a full English breakfast for £44, or someone coming to one of our restaurants, for example a brewer's fare, can have two main courses for £10. And we're seeing wherever we offer great value, then we are seeing a growth in the number of people coming to our businesses and to give us their business.
And when will you meet your 80% occupancy target for Premier Inn?
Well, we've said we will meet that in the medium term. We've made a very good step towards it. We've seen an increase in occupancy from just under 70% last year up to 79% in the first half this year. It does get a bit weaker in the fourth quarter because that's the weak quarter, but we expect this year to come out somewhere between 77 and 78%. So we would anticipate sometime during 2011-12 that we will get towards that 80% target.
And what is the outlook for Whitbread's Costa coffee unit?
Well, Costa, like the rest of our business, has had a very strong first half. It saw its profits up some 55% and an increase in its profits from its overseas operations. And we see further growth prospects for Costa at home and also abroad, where we're concentrating on 5 particular markets: China, the Middle East, Russia, Central Europe, and also India.
From the sounds of it, you're focusing on emerging markets there. How concerned are you about the state of the UK economy, about the risk of a double dip? Do you expect things to pick up in the next 12 months?
Well, as we say in our outlook statement, the economic outlook is uncertain. But as I said at the beginning of this interview, if you offer value for money, we believe that that's what consumers are looking for. And so long as you continue to do that, we believe that we will continue to see customers coming to us to give them their business.
And I think, from what you're saying, that puts your company in a unique position. Nevertheless, many other companies in the hotels and restaurants industry would be quite concerned about the prospect of government cutbacks and tax hikes in this country and what it's going to do to unemployment because of the industry's susceptibility to consumer spending.
Yes, and I would say that we're also concerned about what the outlook might be, and we say that in our outlook statement. But as I've said, if you're offering value for money, and we are offering value for money by, as I said, offering a room for the night for a family of 4 and giving them a full breakfast for £44, or getting 2 meals for £10 in our brewer's fare, if you can offer that value, then people will still come to shop with you.
Right, thanks very much indeed. Christopher Rogers, Finance Director of Whitbread, the UK's largest hotel and restaurant operator.